Like y'all know, this is from, I made my LV purchase through Chicago Nordstrom's. You do get points, so that's the closest thing to a discount in my books. Closest thing. Let's see. Did it take this down? Does it take this off too? No. Okay. Goodness, I'm trying to figure out how to go. So, okay, hold on. Okay, let me move this box out the way. Okay. Okay. My receipts and everything. I don't know how to show it, but that's it. Okay, so I've unboxed it, so now let's unbox all the way. We just very hopeful that we have no issues. We do not need issues because the last one, oh my goodness. But she ordered me a new bag in. My client advisor ordered me a new bag in. Authentic only for those that are watching, because I know people, you see a lot on the socials and stuff, but this is authentic from the boutique. Client advisor ordered. Second bag because the first one had a defect. So thankfully I got a new one. It took about a week to come in, but here we are. So now we see this together. We see this together. Okay, so now let me inspect the sides. Okay. Yeah. This one looks good. No issues. Nothing. Yeah. We are good. We are good. We are good. Okay, so let's open her up. As we know, this is the Crafty Speedy 30. Soft. Wait, hold on. The Soft Crafty Speedy, or the Crafty Speedy Soft 30. That's how, I don't know. Y'all know what it is if you know. But the inside is red leather. This is the straps for the shoulder bag. Stuff. All the stuffing. And then we have the tag, the Paris tag, the key bell. Okay, and we should have a lock in here. Yeah, and there is the lock. Oops. Okay. Oh, that's the lock thing that goes with it. Oh, okay. So the little vachetta, I'm thinking it goes through there. I'm gonna have to figure it out, but the lock, the little trunk, metal trunk. Yeah. So, and then this is the key. So I got a lot to put together. But that is all the goodies that's in here. I asked, because they leave it stuffed. So it is stuff, but I can take the stuffing out. And then that's the inside. That's the inside. I'm recording on two things, so YouTube and TikTok. So I can only have to do it once. Only once. So yeah. But it is perfect. Thank you, Lord. Because I was livid. If you didn't, go back and watch my old YouTube. I think 2 videos back. I also try to put up a little defect picture on TikTok. Livid. For the price, it should not have had any kind of defects at all. But we still have to be a little quality assurance ourselves after we done paid our money on the bag, on the SLG, on the anything, the shoes and all. You got to check it all. You have to check it all. But once again, I now have my Crafty in my collection. Here's the tag. Oh, it's upside down. That is the tag. I guess that's the little tag they put on there. But yeah, it is. Okay, let me tell y'all correctly. It is the Speedy 30 Crafty Soft Crafty. I guess that's what that S means. It says BA, but Speedy Crafty BA Soft Crafty MR. So whatever that means. Whatever that means. But here she is. Oh, okay, so TikTok, that's it. That's all. Peace. YouTube, carry on, carry on. I ain't sitting on the floor, but let me see. 1 second. I'm going to get this bag out of here to try to do a comparison. Okay, so y'all know that I finally was able to obtain this beauty. Very comparable. Very comparable. Like what? So we will do a more in-depth video with the two of those. But for now, I have unboxed. The bag has arrived. And now we have to do a sit down to take it apart, put it together and all that. So that'll be coming up next. Thank y'all for watching. That was just an update on the new bag. It took almost 2 weeks. A week, like a week and a half for the new one to come in. Then once it came in, she had to ship it to me. So I was out of town when it did arrive. My sister came and picked it up. We waited to pick it up, signed for it, and then it just was waiting on me to get here. The Devil Wears Prada came out last night, the premiere, so I did go and see that last night. I did not want to see it on May 1st. I enjoyed it, and I probably will be going back again 2 times this weekend. I don't know. Vegas was fun. That'll be another video. I met another client advisor. One of the older client advisors that I worked with in the previous, she was at the location with the little gummy. I just could not see myself spending that money on a gummy, so I left it there. I wanted the green gummy. Finally found the green gummy at the store. But I did get a bando ordered, so it'll be coming in next week. They had to get it shipped from Hawaii because it was very limited. So I am over the moon that it is coming. But that's it. Vegas was nice. I'm a little bummed, y'all. I just finished watching the world news, and they just said Spirit Airlines is closing as of 3 a.m. Saturday, which is tomorrow, May 2nd. If y'all have been watching for a while, y'all know I gloat about Spirit. I fly Spirit everywhere. I've flown to Cabo a couple times, Cancun a couple times, Vegas a couple times, New York. Everywhere. Spirit has been there. And all I keep hearing in my head is, it's so hard to say goodbye. Like, what? Devastated. Devastated. Like, really? I don't understand, y'all. I don't understand, but more videos to come. I got a lot of recording to catch up on and get out to y'all, but the Crafty has arrived. She is here in pristine condition, so I'm very, very happy about that. I will do a more thorough look, but right now with the keen eye, it's good. It's good. So I will see y'all on the next one. Thank y'all for watching. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and hit that button, and I'll see y'all later. Bye.